As an instructor, I create new Next.js projects all the time, and I do have my own tool for doing this. And this basically involves running the create next app CLI with a few command line flags. But after the project is created, I do have some fixes that I run which basically clean up the project to make it a bit more empty and ready for focused Next.js demos. But with Next 15, which is still in release candidate or RC, there is a new command line flag called --empty that creates an empty project and gives you a pretty clean starting point, as we will see in a minute. Now the default options for Next.js are pretty awesome at this point, so I pretty much smashed the enter key to get the ball rolling. With the project created, let's open it up and see what it looks like. As you can see, it is a pretty bare bones project with a simple source app directory that contains a layout page containing simple HTML along with a simple page component that is even simpler than the layout. Beyond these simple TSX files, there is no CSS customization over here. So if you start the dev server and look at it within the browser, it is truly an empty Hello World project. I think this empty project is going to make a great starting point for a team that's looking to build its own custom version, because they don't have to remove stuff. They can be purely additive at this point. For more tips and tricks, smash that like and subscribe, and check out Boolean Art for complete courses.